Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can boost your Reels on Instagram. So first of all, what you need to do is head over to your Instagram app. Once you open it up here, you can then head over to your profile. Once you head over to your profile, you can then go to your Reels tab or go to your profile grid right here and choose the one that you want to boost and get more views or profile hits on. So for example, if I go here, click on the one I want, and then I can click on the three dots. Once I click on the three dots, as you can see, there will be an option now to boost reel. If you click on this, what that will do is it will bring up this page right here. So what you need to do now is select a goal that you want from your boost. So for example, you can have more profile visits, more website visits, more messages. So for me, I will just click on more profile visits, click on the next button, and then you can go ahead and choose a target audience. So you can go ahead and have it as automatic. So what that will do is Instagram will use sort of the algorithm to target people that like content similar to your page, or you can go ahead and you can create your own. Once you do this and you are happy with the ones that you have set, click on the next button. Once you click on next, you can then choose a budget that you want to use for your Instagram Reels. So for example, if I just want to put in, let's say £30 daily, I can then click on the duration. So you can set the duration to whatever you want really. So 30 days is the maximum right here, and the minimum is 1 day. So if you just put in, for example, 5 days, or what else you can do is click on run this ad until I pause it, which will obviously run it indefinitely until you pause it manually. So for me, I will just click on set duration, click on 5 days. So what you'll notice at the top here, you'll spend £150 over 5 days, and the estimated reach will be 18,000 to 48,000, and then you can click on next. Once you click on next, what you'll see is the overview of the ad that you're about to place. So as you can see here, we have a more profile visits as ad goal. We have an automatic audience, or you can choose this yourself. We have a budget of £150 over 5 days. And then you can go ahead, add your payment, and then everything like that. And then once you're happy, click on Boost Reel. Once you click on Boost Reel, what that will do is it will obviously start the ad process, and then you will start getting more profile visits or whatever you chose within the ad. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.